নমস্কার, আমি ব্রহ্মানন্দ কেশবচন্দ্র কলেজে উদ্ভিদবিদ্যা বিভাগে তৃতীয় বর্ষের ছাত্রী। আজ 5ই জুন বিশ্ব পরিবেশ দিবস উপলক্ষে আমরা আমাদের কলেজের তরফ থেকে এক ভিন্ন উপায়ে বিশ্ব পরিবেশ দিবস পালন করার চেষ্টা করেছি। ভিন্ন উপায় এই কারণেই বললাম, কারণ বর্তমান পরিস্থিতি অন্যবারের তুলনায় স্বাভাবিক নয়। আমরা প্রত্যেককেই জানি বর্তমান সমাজের ভয়াবহতা, প্রতিকূলতা, এই দুটি বিষয়কে মাথায় রেখে আমরা ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে আজ বিশ্ব পরিবেশ দিবস পালন করছি। হাউ আওয়ার ট্র্যাডিশনাল মেডিসিনাল নলেজ ক্যান হেল্প আস ফাইট দ্য COVID-19 pandemic along with their conservation. Traditional medicine is the sum total of knowledge, skill and practices based on the theories, belief and experience indigenous to different culture, whether applicable or not used in maintenance of health, as well as in the prevention, diagnosis, treatment or treatment of physical and mental. It is highly unlikely that people can contract COVID-19 from fruit or fruit packaging. COVID-19 is a respiratory illness and the primary transmission, which is thought person to person contact and thought direct contact with respiratory droplet generate when an infected person catch or sneeze. There is no avian to date of viruses that cause respiratory illnesses being transmitted fruit or fruit packaging. Coronaviruses cannot multiply in food. They are need and human host to multiply. You should eat a variety of fresh and unpressed fruit every day to get the vitamin, minerals, dietary fiber, protein and antioxidants your body need. Drink enough water. Eat fruit, vegetables, legumes, beans, nuts and wild grains, unpressed maize, millet, oats, wheat, brown rice or starchy tuber or roots such as potato, and fruit from animal sources. Snacks, cheese, vegetables and fresh fruit rather than fruit that are high in sugar, fat or salt. Plant has become a potential source for development of new drug entity for cosmeceuticals and pharmaceutical applications. With the increased risk of side effect from excipient preservations used in cosmetic, a consumer world looking toward naturally derived materials. The trend cosmeceutical to describe the OCT skincare products that claim therapeutic benefit by the addition of plant-based active ingredients such as a hydroxyl acid, ascorbic acid and coenzyme to increase the skin elasticity, relieve skin again by reducing the wrinkles, antioxidants property as protective against UV radiation, and to check gradations of the collagenous respectively. Those are applied topically in the cream, powder, lotion, etc. The function of Ayurvedic herbal medicine is to purify various skin disorders and other diseases by eliminating of skin from body common herbal drugs useful in preparation of cosmetic are curcuma longa, haldi, azaratic indica, neem, gingiber officinalis, ginger, Catharanthus roseus, Noyantara, Aloe barbadense, aloe vera, Centrilla asiatica, Sankuni, Androgaphic paniculata, Calmec, Cinchona officinalis, quinine. One of the advantages of herbal cosmetic is medicinal plants are available, affordable, eco-friendly and having less or no harmful effect as compared to synthetic drugs, and even can be grown in household kitchen gardens. From those herbal products, various types of formulation have been prepared for the pharmacological screening have been carried out to assume the cosmetic properties. Extensive ethnobotanical and ethnopharmacological study may lead to the discovery of new plant and lead compound for skin care and care. With the pandemic of coronavirus, we are facing today. I will not say that Ayurvedic medicine is a treatment or a 100% protection against COVID-19, but keeping your immunity definitely protect you better against the onslaught of infection. Also, immunity is over time, not in one day. So by including good habit and adopting a health lifestyle and eating well, we can face challenge in life. The knowledge of medicinal plant used by the people of seem to be well known to eat culture traditional. In the present study will identify many plants used by the people to care dermatological disorder and as cosmetic. Some of the plants were found to have dual as both as curative and cosmetic quality control must be carried out for herbal cosmetic. It is assumed to be safe for longer period of time. প্রথমেই ধন্যবাদ জানাই আমাদের উদ্ভিদবিদ্যা বিভাগের অধ্যাপিকা মহাশয়া বিজি ম্যামকে, কারণ যার প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা সকলেই এই অনুষ্ঠানে যোগ দিয়েছি, কারণ তিনি খুব ভালো করেই গাইড করেছেন এই সব বিষয়গুলির জন্য। দ্বিতীয়ত ধন্যবাদ জানাই আমাদের উদ্ভিদবিদ্যা বিভাগের সকল স্যার ম্যাডামদের এবং প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যামকে। ধন্যবাদ।